Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable auto lock in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to search for your control panel. Now go to System and Security and click on Power Options. Here you can see choose what the power buttons do. Click on it. Here you can see change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on it. Now scroll down. Here you can see lock. You have to turn off this button. Now click on Save Changes. And now you have to go to your settings, go to personalization, click on lock screen. Here you can see screensaver, click on it. Now you can see here on resume, display lock on screen. You have to just turn off this button and click on apply and OK. That's it. So this is how you can disable auto lock in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.